Introducing an oscilloscope to everyone.
Today we will show you an ANENG dual-channel oscilloscope. First, plug the test cable into the middle CH1 port. Plug in the crocodile clip test line to the testing instrument. Press down to reveal the hook corresponding positive electrode. Two black negative electrodes sandwiched between each other. This way we can start testing capable. Press the auto button to automatically set of quickly and accurately detecting various waveform scan. Test to signal simultaneously. Just connect the wires and you can measure it. Corresponding positive electrode. Two black negative electrodes sandwiched between each other. Press the auto button to automatically set. Two waveforms will not affect each other this way. Two different waveforms can be measured simultaneously. Press F1 to switch the voltage time base. Can independently adjust the voltage of CH1 or CH2. Move according to F2 waveform. Press the up and down keys to adjust vertically. Press the left and right keys to adjust the level. Can independently adjust the voltage of CH1 or CH2. Adjust the trigger cursor by pressing F3. Press the up and down keys to adjust the trigger voltage. Can independently adjust the voltage of CH1 or CH2. Long press F4 to display the measurement cursor. Only display CH1 or only display CH2. Or maybe both are displayed. You can also choose not to display it at all. Press Run a stop to pause or start. Long press hold. Save to save screenshots. Easy to connect to the computer for later viewing. It's still a signal generator. Insert the crocodile clip test cable into the output port. Connect the positive and negative terminals of the other end to the tester. Switchable, triangle wave, half wave, full wave, sawtooth wave, sine wave, square wave. Adjust the amplitude according to F2, 0.3 approximately 3 volts. Adjust the frequency according to F3. Adjust according to the testing requirements. Adjust the duty cycle according to F4. Usually not. Adjusted. Press Run Stop to turn on or off. One-click switch to multimeter mode. Insert the red pen. Insert the black probe into the COM port. You can start testing directly. DC voltage is generally used to measure batteries, like car batteries, ordinary small batteries. Various DC power supply equipment can also be tested. Press F1 to switch AC voltage. Most household electricity is 220 volts. Is the output voltage of the air switch positive or abnormal? Press F2 to switch resistance detection. Easy and fast to measure. When the pen touches, it counts. No need to manually shift gears. Directly improve work efficiency or still switch to F2. Test car insurance box. If there is a sound, it will work. If it doesn't sound, it means it doesn't work. This fuse is broken. One foot has disconnected. Continue pressing F2 to switch the diode mode. Forward conduction. The light bead will light up. Reverse cut off. No response. If you test it again in reverse, it will light up. Can quickly measure the quality of small light beads. It is often necessary to measure the capacitance when repairing household appliances. Switch to F to capacitor mode again. First, discharge the capacitor. By attaching the probe to both ends, the capacity can be measured. Accurate detection. Quick judgment of capacitor quality. F3 is in millivolt voltage range. Can measure weak DC millivolts. It can also measure AC millivolt voltage. F4 is used to measure current. Please note that the red probe should be replaced. With a new socket, current measurement must be connected in series into the circuit. For example, measuring the DC millivolt current of the lamp coil. Press F4 again. The lamp tube needs to be powered off first for testing. Connected in series to the circuit. Connect it like this before powering it on. It can measure an AC current of approximately 51 milliamperes. Press F4 to switch. Up to 1 OA can be measured. Many computer malfunctions can be determined by current. I string it in the hard drive cable. It can detect whether the hard drive is running normally or not. Use F4 to switch between measuring light bulbs. Turn off the power first and connect it in series with the circuit. Power on again. We can quickly measure the current of these two light bulbs. Press the menu key to enter settings, channel, switch, coupling mode, probe attenuation, trigger mode, trigger edge, trigger source, frequency meter. Formatting, restore settings. Data saving can be connected to a computer using a data cable if you save screenshot records. Language selection. Automatic shutdown. Backlight brightness. Backlight time. Version number. Display mode. Afterglow time. Baseline calibration, mathematical operation. Sampling mode, measurement cursor. Numerical display. Signal output. Press this key to return. Probe compensation calibration waveform. Connect the wires in this way. Adjust a small hole. Here, adjust with a compensating screwdriver. Observe waveform changes. Use Type-C port. Rechargeable or transmission screenshot. Built-in battery. No need to frequently replace the battery. Convenient to carry at work.